Currently, I am at Chikmagalur location, and this is our own resort where we have used this Everest Rapicon walls, 50 as the slab, and internal and external walls, we have used the 75 walls. Currently, what I am showing is a 50 wall, which we have used. The side height is 11 feet and the width is 60 feet by 80 feet, which is for the dining purpose. And if you can see here, this is the party hall, which is the panels are yet to be installed and the fabrication work is completed. So now the main frequently asked question regarding this using the panels as slab is there are two key factors why everyone cannot use this and why everyone can use this. The first factor is the fabrication technicians or the team who does this fabrication work have less expertise or less understanding of the load bearing capacity of this 50 wall panel. So that is the one very bottleneck which we can say. The other part is the waterproofing. In these joints, proper waterproofing needs to be done. So if the waterproofing is not done properly, then the whole system will be a failed system. Most of the vendors or contractors or the companies who are doing this work, they have very less expertise of doing this kind of work. So that's why we advise only if you are getting this work done through expertise and if someone is assuring you the guarantee and warranty for the waterproofing, you should go ahead. Also, one very important technical point is there is no such manual or rule that these panels can be used as the slab. So out of our sheer experience and expertise, having doing so many projects, we suggest this only if the client is confident enough, putting trust in the vendor, then only we'll suggest it. And I have seen in our in my experience that these are the wonderful method in saving your time, money. Obviously, if you see, these are the lightweight panels. Most of the people they ask, what if 50 panel weight is enough to stand on or to take the load? Let's say if this is a party hall, or if it is a residential house, any school, college, hostel. So here the main important thing what we need to understand here is the panel is like the surface only, or the panel is like the platform, I can say. The load, most of the load is totally on the columns and beams, same as it is in the traditional construction, like how we do. The columns and beams are how it is important. Here also the same way, the structural fabrication work is very important. If you hire someone who is doing this kind of roofing work, that guy may not be doing a proper work as understand the load weight of this one. That is the main important thing. And the other thing is that here we can lay a 50 75 and 100 panel also. On top of this, again, a 4-inch or 3-inch or 2-inch dust or sand or mortar will come, and on the top of that, you can put tile or what we can say, you can put the granite or marble, whatever you can want, you can put it. Main important expertise is that the fabrication work should be in such a way that the panels should be taking the load and the live load. The panels are the dead load, and live load is like, number of people if during any occasion or any the people who live, they come and go, all that will be calculated as the live load. So if that is done properly, then nothing to worry. This is a very good alternative method where you can have a optimal weightage or load, and which can be perfectly utilized for a residential and commercial purposes, provided proper fabrication work should be done.